You're going to love the 2013 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.